Hello everyone, I am Tahir Ali Mir from Pakistan. Today I am excited to introduce you to my final project for the Introduction to Programming with Python course offered by Harvard University. This project is a comprehensive calculator that I have developed using Python. It is a culmination of everything I have learned throughout the course and I am proud to showcase it. Let me briefly explain how it works. This calculator supports the four basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To use the calculator, you simply enter an expression in the format of operand, operator, and operand and hit enter. Let me give an example. Firstly, I have to use a PyTest test that is also recommended from the Havard. I have passed the four tests I have created. These are the four tests, and let me full screen terminal and run Python program, Python project.py, and 3 space divide by 4 and let it will be run. As accepted 0.75 is the answer. Let me run again. 5 minus 6, and as accepted, what is the answer that we get. So this is the project calculator that I have created and learned from the Harvard University. This is just a small piece what I have learned. Thank you for Harvard University CS50. Thank you all.